Rusenski Lom Natural Park. Located near Russe, Rusenski Lom Natural Park has an area of approximately 3,408 hectares, of which forests represent over 80%. The park hosts one of the most spectacular canyons in Europe, with calcareous and wild walls, which hide an impressive natural collection of plants, including orchids, iridesis, and also animals, some of them being extremely rare. More specifically, in the park there are approximately 900 species of plants, dozens of them represented by trees, shrubs, and lianas. The mixture of steppe and submediterranean vegetation impresses. The same happens with the areas of old oaks and hornbeams. The park is a true paradise for birds, with about 200 species found here. Karstic relief creates ideal conditions for birds nesting on the rock. The Imperial Eagle, the Egyptian eagle, the falcon, or the owl. Those who want to go hiking in the area, especially with canoe or bicycle, will admire a unique landscape. Rusenski Lom Natural Park is part of UNESCO heritage, a place where nature has reached the upper limits of beauty. Project: Development and promotion of a common natural heritage product. Route protected natural heritage within the cross-border region Romania-Bulgaria is co-financed by the European Union through European Regional Development Fund under the Interreg 5A Romania-Bulgaria program.